Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the System32 folder keeps popping up at startup on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now this is a weird issue, but this could be caused due to a malware, or it could be caused due to a third-party process triggering the System32 folder. Here's how we will approach it. First of all, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is a malware scan, so search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Wait till it loads. This is a little slow application. Click on next, select full scan, next, and let it run through. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.